Are you looking for a beautiful 4-bedroom home minutes from the Loop shopping district and also located in the highly desired community of Enclave at Tapestry? Then stick around because I have something to show you. Hey everyone, I'm Gavin Hatch, the Realtor of the Future, and welcome to my newest listing at 2588 Needlepoint Street. As soon as you step foot through that front door, your eyes are drawn to this bright and open concept kitchen, dining room, and family room space. It's a perfect place to hang out with your family as well as throw a big party with your new neighbors. With the split floor plan design, your guest bedrooms are located in the front of the home, with 2 being perfectly sized and sharing a large guest bathroom. Across the hall, you have an oversized guest bedroom that is perfect for the in-laws or if you're looking to have an in-home office. When it's time for everyone to do the laundry, your Samsung washer and dryer are waiting for you in your spacious laundry room. Your primary bedroom provides plenty of room for you to be able to fit a Cali king-size bed with space left over. Once you go into your primary ensuite, take some me time and enjoy a bath in your oversized soaking tub. And you can't forget about those upgraded glass vessel sinks. There are so many great features about this home that I love, but my favorite space in the house has to be the kitchen. I love this large island. It's perfect for preparing a holiday meal, creating a tasty cocktail, or enjoying a midnight snack. And there's even a motion sensor nightlight in the ceiling for such an occasion. You also have a great view of the backyard, completely private and fenced in, as well as a screened-in lanai. Well, there you have it, 2588 Needlepoint Street in Kissimmee, Florida. It is a gorgeous home and it is waiting for you, so reach out to me. Let's schedule your private showing today. Again, I'm Gavin Hatch, the Realtor of the Future with the Home Squad brokered by eXp Realty.